y'all. I did this for y'all. Alright, so I do have a leave-in conditioner in my hair. I have the Shea Moisture Low Porosity leave-in in my hair. You guys know it's one of my favorites. And it's so crazy. I feel like everybody had the same idea at the same time. But I've watched 2 Mousse wash and go videos like after I filmed this one, but before I could edit it. I watched Pretty Ritty 77 Mousse wash and go video, and I also watched Janae Too Curly, Janae Mason, whatever you know her as. I watched her earlier today, and she gave some tips like to add a moisturizer underneath the mousse, which I didn't do. I just went in straight on top of my leave-in, which was already lightweight, with the mousse. And I mean, I just chose whatever mousse I had in my cabinet. I'm not a mousse girl. I don't do a lot of perm rod sets or things that I typically would use mousse for. So I wasn't even sure if this would be heavy enough or if mousses have like differences in consistency. They pretty much always all feel the same to me. So the definition started off trying to be there, but you guys will see in the end, you need a lot more than, pretty much moisture on your hair, because you have curly hair. Anytime wetness hits it, your curls are going to show. You need some hold, you need some moisture, you need something that is going to define your curls in the long run. So I'm pretty much just gonna shut up, let y'all see me finish doing this wash and go. I did shingle it, and let y'all see the results, because you guys always think that I have perfect hair, and we gon' see. I can already see, like, oh, this is not gonna be nothing. I want bigger hair, and definition is not like a huge issue, but we're just gonna see how it turns out. So this is what my hair looked like no less than 2 hours later. Ta-da! For everybody who be saying my hair always turn out perfect, it is all technique. It is all about getting moisture in your hair and using the right products. I can't just put anything in my hair, just like a lot of people. And I've always known mousse just doesn't give me enough hold for my wash and goes. I have heard some recommendations to try some other mousses that maybe have a heavier hold, so I may try it, but this literally was the fastest fail I think I've ever had on my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyway. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see all you guys in the next upload.